pumpkin. Then you cut the carrot and the pumpkin. And take the chicken from the freezer and put it inside the water until it is not freezed anymore. Cut the chicken until it's like this and cut the carrot and the pumpkin. Okay, so this is the chicken. You boil it in the water. And then boil the chicken around 15 minutes. And boil the vegetables too, the pumpkin and the carrot at the same time. Boil the vegetables around 8 minutes. Cut them into pieces. And then put them in the blender. Close it. A little bit oil inside, like that. And water. Blend again. Put them in a container like this or something else, just in a container. It doesn't have to be like this. It can be like a lunchbox or like this kind of container. That's small. This one is for puppy, not for normal dogs. Maybe for a senior puppy, but when they're already like very senior, like my old puppy that's already died, it's actually until 17 years. So for dogs, it's already 120 years. So they don't have to chew so hard anymore. And this one, now I have a new dog that's a puppy. Okay, so this is my puppy. She's still 4 months, so now I'm going to try to give her. Don't forget to mix it with a little bit of puppy food. And don't forget to find the perfect puppy food for your puppy first. Look at my puppy. She can't wait to eat it. To give her the food. Oh yeah, after you put it in the container, you close it and then freeze it in the freezer for 2 hours, and then after that, put it in the puppy plate and then microwave it for like a few minutes until it's like this, and put puppy food, mix it with puppy food, and done. Let your puppy eat it. She loves it already. See? She loves it. And then if your puppy is still like a very, very tiny puppy, you can mix it with some puppy milk. You like it? Oh, she finished it already.